So I'm very excited about this feature, which will allow you to A, save time, and B, get your results from any Google quiz that you put in Google Classroom using Google Form to get the grade quickly. So when you create your assignment and you add your Google Form from Google Drive, so as you find it here, scrolling through, let's say that this is the technology quiz that I'm adding. I would add that. It's there. I'm going to click Enable Grade Importing and hit Save. Now, this is something I've already done with my students, but I'm just walking you through what that will look like. So, looking at the screen here, once students have completed the quiz, this will not have appeared yet. But instead, I'm going to click the Import Grade button. Select Import. It'll take a minute to load. And then as soon as this is done loading, your scores are going to automatically populate next to the students' names. Instead of having to make a Google form, then going to Google Sheets to get the results. So instead of viewing form, going to responses, selecting, and creating this spreadsheet, which is still really helpful. This allows me to get the grades straight here and copy it over into my gradebook. It also puts it in one easy-to-view location so that your students know exactly what they received on their quiz after you have selected the box and returned the score to them. So, really cool, really excited for this new feature that literally came out in 2018.